Toronto homes are being sold faster than ever, but only when they're priced right. Miss the mark by even 5% and you could lose hundreds of thousands. So how do you figure out what your home or the home you're looking to buy is actually worth? Not what your neighbor thinks, not what your realtor estimates, but what real buyers would pay right now. If you're selling, you don't want to leave money on the table. And if you're buying, the last thing you need is to overpay because you're working with outdated information. Either way, you need to know the real number. I'm Josh from Under the Radar Real Estate, a separate channel dedicated to finding hidden gem properties in Toronto. I've been involved in over $100 million in personal transactions over the last 13 years. I'm excited to share this AI tool I've been using to get accurate valuations. Trust me, it's going to change how you look at this uncertain process. Most homeowners rely on outdated methods to value their homes, looking at neighbors' sales from 6 months ago or trusting generic online calculators that don't factor in crucial details about their specific property. The issue with that approach is that the market changes every time a new home is sold and comparable properties update. What your home was worth last month might not be what it's worth today. First, let me show you how to fix this problem. Then I'll reveal an all-in-one real estate assistant, giving you everything from market timing insights to renovation value calculations. Just head to Valery.ca and watch what happens when I type in this address on Grover Road. See what happened? Within seconds, we get our estimated value. In this case, $1,180,000. But here's what makes this different from other online tools. Look at this confidence score. It shows exactly how reliable the estimate is based on available market data. Notice the detailed price range, showing both conservative and optimistic scenarios to help you make informed decisions. Every key property detail is factored in, from square footage and bathroom count to garage space and property type. Plus, you get valuable insights on rental income potential and real-time neighborhood trends. What's really powerful is that it shows you recent comparable sales in your exact neighborhood with actual sold prices, not just listing prices. But that's just scratching the surface. Let me show you how Valery becomes your personal real estate assistant. Scroll down to the Market Intelligence Hub and you'll discover something most homeowners never get access to. So the best months to sell your property, precise average days on market for your specific area, real-time market dynamics between buyers and sellers, and up-to-date price trends by property type. But let me show you something really powerful. See this Run Analysis button? Click it and watch what happens. Valery's AI assistant breaks down exactly why your home is worth what it's worth. You can even ask it specific questions like, how much value would a kitchen renovation add? What's the rental income potential, and when's the best time to sell? Oh, and here's a pro tip. After I get an evaluation, I take the 4-minute consultation call. It builds me a custom strategy based on my specific situation, whether I'm planning to sell now or just exploring my options. I love how there's no sales pitch, no hidden fees, no pressure, just clean, useful data that helps you make smart decisions. So what sets Valery apart from every other home evaluation tool? For starters, it combines real-time MLS data, neighborhood trends, and AI analysis to deliver valuations you can actually trust in today's market. Just head over to Valery.ca and it will guide you through everything from initial pricing to optimal timing for your sale. Want more insider tips on maximizing your property's value? Subscribe to this channel and check out Under the Radar Real Estate for weekly updates on the Toronto market. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you understand your home's value a little better. Until next time, this is Josh helping you make smarter real estate moves.